Hello everyone, this is Yavaş from PicInfiniti.net. Welcome to the second video of Graph Studio series. In this video, we are going to draw a simple graph together. To access the application, open your browser and go to graph.PicInfiniti.net. If it is the first time you open the application, you might see this work area. For this video, close information panel, disable these two features, and close tool panel 2. I will cover everything in the series. Today I just want to draw a simple graph. To start, I want a clean canvas. To clean the canvas, come to File menu and click on New. You also can do that with its shortcut. You might find shortcut for some feature beside the name of them. For example, here you can clean the canvas with N key. First thing first, add some node here. As you see, we can easily add node everywhere with double click. We can also drag node. To select node, double click on any node you like. We can drag selected node together. We can delete node with the D key. We can undo anything we did with U key. We can redo with R key. If you forget D key and U key and R key or any shortcut, come to Edit menu. You might find them here. You can also access some of Edit menu feature in context menu. Just right click. You would see delete button here. Just click it and you can delete everything you selected. Okay, let me bring them back. The next thing, we sure want to connect node together. Yes, select all the node you want to connect together. Select these, and these. There is add edge here. You can connect all selected nodes together. As you see, we also can drag a component. If we select all a component's vertex, we can delete, obviously, edge 2. If you want to organize all the nodes on a cycle, we can easily do that with this feature, organize nodes. If you click that, you can organize everything on a cycle. If you want to connect all the nodes together to make a complete graph, there is a complete graph feature here. You can connect everything together. We also have a night sky feature here. It is very beautiful. I call it night sky because we have zodiac generator too. I will talk about them later, but if you prefer dark theme, just click sky night and it will give you a dark theme of the application. The next thing I want to teach you in this video, change the size of the nodes, label, edge, stroke, and anything you see here. Come to edit menu. In the setting, you can change grid size. You can change node size. You can change edge size. You can change label size, as you see here. And we can change also stroke size too. The stroke is, we can change the stroke size too. I want to set it to 0 for now. But you can also disable labeling if you don't want to have any label for your graph. You can easily just disable labeling, as you see. Okay, the next thing I want to cover in this video, how to export, import your graph. You might want to use your graph in your seminar, your class, or anywhere. You might want to export your graph for LaTeX or Word or anywhere you want to have a picture of your graph. You can come to file menu. There is an import, export the PNG option. With export, it will give you a JSON file of your graph. You can use it later by import feature. Let me import some graph. I already draw that. I will tell you how to draw a colorful graph in next video. For now, just keep anything simple. There is a export PNG, as I mentioned. We can use it to get a PNG of your graph. For example, if I click it, as you see, I get a PNG of the graph I already draw. You can use it in your LaTeX, in Word, or anywhere you like. And that's it for this video. I think is enough. On the next video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a colorful graph like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and share this video with all of your friends. See you on the next video.